Hi guys, today we're going to look at page 152 of your textbook. So what we're going to look at is that the three angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So using this piece of information, we're asked in question 3 to find the missing angle in the triangle. So we're given two angles. We're given 67 and we're given 45 degrees. So we're given 67 and 45 degrees and we're asked to find x. First step is you add the two angles that you know in the triangle. Okay, so we add those two together, so 67 and 65. So that's 112. So the two angles that we know add up to 112. So the next thing we need to do is if we find out how much is left to get up to 180. So the second step then is 180 minus 112. And that will give us 68 degrees. Okay, so our angle x is equal to 68 degrees. Okay, what I want you to do today for your work is I want you to do the rest of question 3, and that is on page 152. So you're doing this part A is already done for you as an example. I now want you to do part B to F. Thank you.